Hello everyone, we are discussing Class 8 Odisha Adarsh Vidyalaya CBSE Subject SST Periodic Test 1 Probable Question Answer SST Civics. Question number 1 is, in which year did the Indian National Congress make a demand for a constituent assembly? Correct option is option number D, 1934. Next, question number 2. The right to equality bans the practice of which of the following practices? Right to equality एटा क्यों practice को मना करिथाए? Correct option A, that is untouchability. Next, question number 3. The head of state in the parliamentary system of government is called option number A, that is president. Next, question 4. The law cannot discriminate between persons based on their religion, caste, gender, all of these above. Option number D is correct. Next, question number 5. When was the Supreme Court of India established? Correct option B, that is 26th January 1950. Next question, what do we mean by term constitution? Constitution means kona? Answer, the constitution is an important document which lays down principles of the country. It is the written law of the land by which the country is governed. It is also regarded as the fundamental law of the country. Question 7. What do we mean by separation of powers? Answer, separation of powers is also known as trias politica. This term was coined by Charles Louis de Secondat, Baron de la Brede, et de Montesquieu, an 18th century French social and political philosopher. The term refers to the division of government responsibilities into distinct branches to limit any one branch from exercising the core functions of another. The intent is to prevent the concentration of power and provide for checks and balances. The normal division of branches is into legislature, an executive, and a judiciary. Question number 8. Explain the concept of the rule of law. Answer, the rule of law states that all laws apply equally to all citizens of the country and no one can be above the law. The law is equal and similar for all, be it a government official, a wealthy person, or even the president. None of them are above the law. Hence, the law cannot differentiate between people on the basis of their religion, caste, or gender. Nevertheless, any crime or violation of law has to be established, after which a specific punishment is given. Question number 9. State any 5 functions of Parliament. Answer, 5 important functions of the Parliament are as follows. First, law making. Second, introduction of new laws. Third, financial control over the government's income. Fourth, control over the executive. Fifth, organ of information. Question 10. Why is it important that government schools do not promote any one religion? काहींकि यह गुरुत्वपूर्ण अटे सरकारी स्कूल माने कौनसी निर्दिष्ट एक धर्म को बेसी इंपोर्टेंस देबे नहीं. Answer, it is important that government schools do not promote any one religion because if the government itself does not follow the rules in the constitution, a normal citizen will also not understand the importance of following it. Also, it results in the discrimination between the students belonging to different religious backgrounds. Question 11. Elaborate on the movement for democracy in Nepal. Elaborate means to give more details about. तो ये मूवमेंट विषय टिके अधिक लिखिबो जोटा डेमोक्रेसी इन नेपाल को प्रमोट करथिला. वी कैन से डेमोक्रेसी आसपारथिला नेपाल रे. Answer, Nepal is on the northern borders of India. इट हाज विटनेस्ड सेveral पीपल स्ट्रगल फॉर डेमोक्रेसी डेमोक्रेसी पर बहुत लोक मानकर बलिदान यह साक्षी अटे द प्रीवियस कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन ऑफ नेपाल which was adopted in 1990 had the final authority rested with the king 1990 रे जो कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन तैयारी करा था ताहार हेड चीफ जो मुखिया थिले राजा किंग Thus, people's struggle in 1990 established democracy that lasted for 12 years until 2002. 1990 रे ताहा 12 years पर्यंत लास्टिंग करथिला आउ until 2002 पर्यंत. However, in October 2002, King Gyanendra seated the Maoist uprising in the countryside and started taking over different aspects of the government with the army's assistance. 2002 रे किंग ज्ञानेन्द्र ग्रामांचल रे जो माओइस्ट मानकर अपराइजिंग हेउची बोली दर्शाइकी ताहाकु प्रतिहत करिया पई सरकारंकर विभिन्न सब जो अधीन सरकार अधीन थिबा भिन्न भिन्न जो डिपार्टमेंट गुड़ाक अख्तियार करने को लगिले आर्मीर सहायता रे द किंग देन फाइनाली टू कंट्रोल एज द हेड ऑफ गवर्नमेंट इन फेब्रुआरी 2005 तापर 2005 फेब्रुआरी रे निजे सरकार रो मुखिया हेगले किंग आउ थरे ओके इन 2006 द पीपल्स मूवमेंट फॉर डेमोक्रेसी बिगन gaining immense force and it repeatedly refused the small concessions that the king made. 2006 रे लोक मानकर आंदोलन आरंभ हो गला पुणी थे डेमोक्रेसी को रिस्टोर करिया पई आउ एहा अधिक रु अधिक बलत्तर हला लोक मानकर सपोर्ट पाइकी राजा जेते सब प्रतिश्रुति देले सेगुडाक रिपीटेडली ताहाकु मना कले In April 2006, the king restored the third parliament and asked the political parties to form a government. Finally, in 2007, Nepal adopted an interim constitution. Interim means temporary. शेषरे 2007 रे नेपाल गोटे constitution पाइला interim constitution गोटे पाइला. Question 12. Explain the importance of the judiciary in a state. Answer. Following points underline the importance of the judiciary in a state. First, it provides a mechanism for resolving disputes or conflicts between people and state government, between two state governments and between the center or union and the state governments. Second point, because it is the final interpreter of the constitution, it has the power to declare the law passed by the government as null and void if there is any kind of violation of the principles and ideals of our constitution. यह जेहेतु फाइनाल इंटरप्रिटर अटे कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन रो माने कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन रे जहाँ भी बदलाव आसीबो फाइनाल ये चेक करिवो जुडिशियरी ताहाकु फाइनाल करिवो. नेक्स्ट यार क्षमता अच्छी डिक्लेयर करने गोटे सरकार जहाँ भी लॉ जदि बन ताकू नल आउ भॉइड माने सेटा बंद करदेवार क्षमता जुडिशियरी अच्छी वायोलेसन दर्शाई कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन अगेंस्ट जाऊँगी दर्शाई ताकू बंद कर दे पारे. नेक्स्ट इट अपहोल्ड्स एनफोर्सेस एंड प्रोटेक्ट्स द फंडामेंटल राइट्स ऑफ एवरी सिटीजन ऑफ द कंट्री. People can move the court if any of their fundamental rights are violated. ए जुडिशियरी क्षमता अच्छी अपहोल्ड मीन्स टू सपोर्ट ए डिसीजन सपोर्ट करने गोटे डिसीजन को आउ एनफोर्सेस मीन्स ताकू कार्य परिणत करने गोटे लॉ को प्रोटेक्ट मीन्स सुरक्षा प्रदान करने फंडामेंटल राइट प्रत्येक लोक मानकर जदि कौन व्यक्ति हृदबोध करिकी तार जो फंडामेंटल राइट मौलिक जो अधिकार अच्छी से क्षुण्ण होता से कोर्ट को जापर. नेक्स्ट वीडियो रे नेक्स्ट ज्योग्राफी सेक्शन डिस्कस करिबा. इफ यू आर न्यू इन आवर चैनल प्लीज सब्सक्राइब आवर चैनल एंड प्रेस ऑन बेल आइकन. कीप लर्निंग स्टे कनेक्टेड. वंदे उत्कल जननी.